The 2011 Galant. Galant offers comfort and quality at every level, boasting extra touches that don't cost any extra. It's not just the roomy plush interior that makes driving Galant a pleasure. It is constructed to make your experience on the road exceptional and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, CD changer, Bluetooth, moonroof. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Great deals on over 800 vehicles at CherryHillMitsubishi.com. Shop now 24/7, CherryHillMitsubishi.com.